Today we're going to learn how to clean your 17-inch Blackstone tabletop griddle. Coming up. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are going to learn how to clean our 17-inch Blackstone tabletop griddle. I just got done with another cook, so I felt like this is a good time to do this episode. So why don't you guys come in on this Blackstone and we'll get this cleaned together. Come on back. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to start cleaning this thing off. So first thing I'm going to do is scrape all these bits, big bits right here, and get them into the grease catch. Get those out of the way. Alright, I've heated it up again. We got some water right here. And we're going to get this cleaned down. Alright. So you're going to work it around a little bit. Bring it all to the catch. Try not to make a big mess on it. I'm trying to get all these bits and pieces off. All these little seeds, parts of the shrimp. Good. It's a lot of scraping. All right. One more shot of water. All right. Just take a couple paper towels. Get it down. Drag the water to the grease catch. Yep. You may have to do it a couple times with the water and the paper towel, which is what I'm going to do real quick. You know what? When all else fails, where'd it go? Here we go. We can use this throwaway shop towel. All right. Let's do one more squirt. Have it on high while we're cleaning it. While it's still on high, let's oil it down one more again so we can keep the seasoning rolling. All right, since it's still new, I'm gonna still add oil to the outsides like we did with our seasoning, but it's clean as a whistle. All right guys, I'm gonna let that burn a little bit. We have our grease catch right here, so we'll take that inside, we'll wash it with soap and water and replace it. Just got this cleaned out, clean as a whistle. Put it in, gas is off, got our handy dandy cover, Blackstone. All right, we'll get this all put together, get the utensils cleaned up, ready to go. All right guys, so just a quick little video to show you how to clean your Blackstone up after a cook. It's ready to go, it's ready for the next use. Put a little oil on there. Like I said, it's like your cast iron pan. You gotta keep it greased. You can't use soap and water with it. Gotta use that oil, and we'll call it a day. All right. Thanks for stopping by. I look forward to a lot more cooks on this Blackstone. I'm trying to do a little camping trip that maybe we can take it outdoors and see how it's working. We got Charlie outside with me, so that's why you hear the heavy panting. I swear it's not me. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care now.